What should you do if an unrecorded easement appears on your property? Imagine walking around your property and noticing a new path or access point you never saw before. It could be an easement that was never officially recorded. This situation can be confusing and even frustrating. So, what steps should you take to handle an unrecorded easement that shows up on your land? First, you need to confirm if the easement really exists. Check your property deeds, previous surveys, and title documents. Sometimes easements are created informally or through long-term use, but they might not be documented in public records. A detailed title search can reveal if any easements have been established over the years. You might also want to get a current survey of your property. This can help you see if the easement affects your land and how it might impact your use of the property. Next, it is wise to consult a real estate attorney who has experience with property disputes and easements. They can help you understand whether the easement is legally valid. For example, was it created by a formal agreement, or did it develop through implied use over time? If the easement was established by long-term use, it might be called a prescriptive easement. Knowing its legal status is important because unrecorded easements may not be enforceable if you had no prior notice when you bought the property. Avoid making quick decisions like blocking access or ignoring the easement altogether. Doing so without proper legal advice can lead to costly disputes or even lawsuits. Instead, try to negotiate with the person claiming the easement. Clarify what rights they have, who is responsible for maintenance, and how access should work. Open communication can often prevent disagreements from escalating. If the easement is valid but was never recorded, work with your attorney to have it officially documented with the local government. Recording the easement protects your rights and makes future ownership clear. On the other hand, if you believe the easement is invalid or being misused, your lawyer can advise you on legal steps to challenge or terminate it. This might include filing a quiet title action or seeking a court order to remove the easement. Keeping good records and maintaining clear communication about easements on your property can prevent misunderstandings. Being proactive about these issues helps protect your property rights and keeps your land usable and valuable. Remember, understanding and addressing unrecorded easements early can save you time, money, and stress down the line.